Hello everyone. So today I am going to be making a little bit of mixed media. I've got my stamp image there, some gesso and a bit of scrapbook paper that I had in my stash. Now this was a 12 by 12 sheet. I've cut it down and I'm just going to put some gesso all over, just to block out the image a bit so it's not so harsh. I'm actually on a mission to use some of my older scrapbook paper, and yeah, so this is an idea that I had, so I'm just experimenting here, just seeing how this turns out, just covering it with the gesso and seeing where we go. So I've got a bit of hoovering in the background, guys. That's going to stop in a moment. So I'm just checking to see the coverage, if I like it, do I want to add a bit more, and I do think I want to add a bit more. So I'm going to add a bit more of the white gesso, and yeah, I'm actually liking the way it looks. And then yeah, I put my coloured image. I did show this image in a haul that I had of some I think it's called James Dougherty. I always say his name wrong. Stamps by Prima. I've done the whole talk about it being a older stamp collection that I've been trying to collect. So yeah, I'm really liking how that's looking. I'm going to move on to the next levels of mixed media that I want to add. So I have some of this shimmer spray. So I'm just going to spray that all over. As you can see, it doesn't look very shimmery, but it's actually a lot more shimmery in person. It's salmon. I'll leave the details down below. And then I'm just going to add some of these Nouveau drops as well. I think it will just, well, I'm thinking that it's kind of giving me splashes of water, because this has got a kind of summer theme. Look, there we go. I'm just showing you the Nouveau drops and the colour that it is. I can't see. It's aquatic something. Again, I will leave all details in the description below of the colour that I use. So this is what it's looking at like at the moment. So I've actually lost the part of the footage where I add the fruit and the flowers, but these are just some, I believe they're Sizzix die cuts that I've cut out of watermelons, strawberries and bananas, and I've just added that to the picture. I've also added some of Handmade by Abigail's flowers, and I just want the sun, I want some texture in it, so I'm adding glossy accent there to the sun, just so that it stands up, and when you run your hand over it will feel nice and raised. So yeah, that's what I've done. Oh, I've also added some silver flakes to the glasses, just to give those a shiny effect. Just, you know, those kind of glasses where you can't see the person's eyes behind. I thought that was kind of cute, so I added that as well. And I'm really happy with the way that this has turned out. I've also got a little banner that I'm gonna add, which says Summer Days, so you'll see me adding that soon. I think I put that on some foam dots as well. And yeah, this is my summer mixed media little art piece. Tell me down in the comments what you think, and we'll chat later. Bye.